Have you ever switched themes and your product images suddenly looked off? If so, then let's take a look at how to fix your blurry product images. There are two common causes of blurry or distorted product images. One is not having the appropriate size images uploaded, which unfortunately we can't fix in this video. For that, you'd need to re-upload a higher resolution image appropriate for your theme. The second common cause is if your images are high enough quality, but your image sizes set in WooCommerce are incorrect for your theme. So how do we fix this? Let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to a problem image in your store. Make note of what type of image it is, as there are three types of product images in WooCommerce. There's catalog images, single product images, and product thumbnails. In this case, we're working with a catalog image. Next, right-click on the image and choose the Inspect or Inspect Element option. This works in most major browsers. Just be sure to have its developer features turned on. In this case, we're using Chrome. You'll now be able to see the HTML code that is displaying this image. If you look closely, you'll find the image placeholder height and width listed in pixels. Make note of these dimensions, as we'll need them in just a moment. In the theme that we're using, the image placeholder size is 185 pixels by 185 pixels. Now, in your WordPress admin, head to WooCommerce, Settings, and then the Products tab. Then select the Display submenu. Here, you'll see the current WooCommerce settings for your product images. Take a look at the sizes for the specific image type that you're trying to fix. In our case, that's the catalog images. Right now, the catalog images are set to 100 by 100 pixels, which is smaller than the required 185 by 185 that our theme is trying to display. This is what's causing the image to get stretched out and blurry on our site. So we'll need to update the setting to match what we found on the front end of our website. You can enter the exact size that you found in our first step, or if you want, you can even make this setting a little larger than what you saw on the front end of your store for a little extra image insurance. Now that we've entered the correct size in our settings, we need to regenerate our thumbnail images. Updating the sizes in your WooCommerce settings does not automatically regenerate the images to fix them. To do that, we'll want to use a plugin called Regenerate Thumbnails. Install and activate Regenerate Thumbnails by Alex Mills. Once that plugin is activated, if you want to do this for your entire media library, then head to Tools, Regen Thumbnails. There you can regenerate the thumbnails for every image on your site. Otherwise, head to your media library to select the specific images you need to regenerate. Make sure you're using the list view and then select your images. In the Bulk Actions menu, choose Regenerate Thumbnails. Depending on how many images you have and how fast your server is, this may take a minute or two to complete. Once this is done, head back to your store, and your images should now be the proper resolution and looking great. If your images still look to be low quality, make sure that the product image that you originally uploaded is large enough. For most themes, any image larger than 800 by 800 pixels should work. Keep this in mind anytime you may switch themes using WooCommerce. Thanks for watching!